everyone, welcome back to geometry. Look at a wheel, look at a clock, look at a pizza. What do they all have in common? They are all circles. The circle is one of the most perfect shapes in all of the method. No corner, no edges, just one smooth, endless curve. Today, we begin our biggest series ever, circle geometry, from beginner to advanced. By the end of this series, you will understand everything about circle. So, let's start from the very beginning. What exactly is a circle? A circle is the set of all points in a plane that are fixed distance from a fixed point. This point is the fixed point. This fixed point is called the center of the circle. Here, this point named as O, center of the circle, whose distance from any point on the circumference of the circle always fixed. And the fixed distance from this point to the circumference, that is OA, is the radius. That is the magic of a circle. Every radius of the same circle is equal. Therefore, if we take another point B on this circle, the distance between O and B and distance between O and A are the same. Similarly, if we take another point C, then the distance between O and C is the same as OA and OB. Therefore, OA equal to OB equal to OC, that equal to R, that equal to radius. If R equal to 5, then every point on the circle is exactly 5 cm from the center. Now we discuss about diameter of the circle. Now if we draw a line from one side of the circle to other, passing through the center of the circle, let this line is AB and center is O. Then such type of line AB of this circle. Diameter pass. What is the relationship between the radius and diameter? Already we know the distance from O and B is the radius and its length R. Similarly, the distance between O and A also the radius and whose length is smaller. Therefore, total length of AB will be OA plus OB, that equal to R plus R, that equal to 2R. Therefore, the diameter of any circle equal to twice of its radius, that is 2 into its radius.